Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to send a voice recording on Facebook Messenger. Whether you're looking to share a quick message or prefer talking over typing, this guide will make it simple and straightforward. To get started, open the Facebook app on your device. Once the app is launched, look towards the top right corner of your screen and tap the Messenger icon. It's the speech bubble symbol that opens up your conversations. Next, select the conversation where you want to send your voice message. This could be with a friend, family member, or even a group chat. Once you've opened the conversation, focus on the text box at the bottom of your screen. Here's where the magic happens. Press and hold the microphone icon located in the text box. As you hold it down, begin speaking to record your message. You can talk freely, just make sure to keep holding the icon while recording. When you're done recording, simply release the microphone icon. Your voice message will automatically stop recording at this point. If everything sounds good and you're ready to send it, your message will be added to the chat for everyone in the conversation to hear. And that's it. Sending a voice recording on Facebook Messenger is quick and easy, perfect for sharing thoughts when typing isn't convenient. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with others who might need a little help navigating Messenger's features. Thank you for watching.